can see in title of this video, we will be opening a mystery package from Lazada, and yung page na nakuhanan ko na to guys is Beauty Treats by Marga, and worth 199 lang siya guys, kaso 289 siya guys kasi dun sa shipping fee. So nga pala guys, worth 199 lang siya, 199. So hindi tayo nag-expect ng super. So yan, Beauty Treats by Marga po yung name ng page. Hala guys, ang dami! So open natin siya.
Sorry, maingay din.
Oh my god guys, sulit na sulit yung 199 dito. So, huwag kayong matakot mag-take risk kasi sa buhay, kasama talaga yung mag-take risk.
Pero di ko kaya.
So, una ko nakita dito guys is for eyebrow brush. Yan lang guys. Yan. 1 Ashley 2-in-1 palette, highlighter, and blusher.
Ganda.
Ganda niya guys.
So, third one guys is Ink Stick Tanako. Ang ganda ng packaging niya guys. Try natin siya.
May candy.
Bang. So for yeah guys, for here, ganito guys, for ganyan, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, basta pang, para siyang pang ganon, pagka mag-makeup ka, ganon. So
eyeliner and eyebrow pencil. Yan, dalawa na siya. And guys, yung ito, eyebrow and eyeliner pencil. Ito naman guys, yan. For concealer pencil. Peach tint water, lip tint siya. In the shade of mandarin juice. Ang cute to.
yun guys.
Switch lip magnet. Yan siya guys.
Mas pigmented siya guys.
Anastasia concealer. Concealer siya guys. eyeshadow model siya. Single and double eyelid. 10 na guys. Eh, di na expect guys kasi 199 lang siya guys. Kasi guys, 289 siya kasi 199 tapos 90 pesos yung shipping fee. Ayun guys.
So guys, pang 11 na to guys. Mask. Blueberry. So, 11, 12. And last, this. So, ayun guys. So, that's all for today's video guys. Again, from Lazada po to. And yung page po is Beauty Treats by Marga. Ililink down below ko na lang po kung gusto niyo pong umorder sa kanila. So, thank you for watching and see you in my next one.